In this video, we will create Twirl style comic background animation in After Effects. Create a new composition. With the help of rectangle tool, draw a shape, use gradient ramp and change it to radial ramp, changing the color to white and the end color to black. Set this color point at center and end ramp to the use tint effect and change the white with the gray color. With the help of ellipse tool, draw a circle, center line it by Ctrl-Alt-Home. Using fast box blur, increase the radius to around 200 and uncheck this repeat H pixels. Again duplicate it and rename it as mask. Add minimax. Make minimax to the above of the fast box blur. Change the color to alpha and color and increase the radius. Like 70 is good. Okay, that's fine. Hide this mask layer. With this rectangle tool, draw another rectangle. Now we will add some effects. First is Fractal Noise. Change the contrast to 950, brightness -150. In the transform panel, uncheck this uniform scaling and change the height to 10,000. Complexity 5.5 is good. In the evolution, Alt and left click on this stopwatch and add expression time into 1000. Polar coordinates and change the interpolation to 100 and change it to react to polar. Add twirl effect. Change the angle to 90 and the twirl radius to 100. What we need to do, increase its scale by using transform effect and change the scale to 210. Use effect invert. Now select this mask and place it above, and in track matte, enable the track matte and enable the inverted matte and change its mode to multiply. Now select both these and duplicate them and make it top. First, selecting the shape layer 4 and change the contrast to 1200 and change the brightness to -140. And in the transform, first change the angle to 50. We will add one more effect to it, that is tint. Change this black color to dark gray color. Again duplicate these. Change the contrast to 1600 and brightness to -150. In the transform, change its angle to 75. Again duplicate this. Change the contrast to 750 and decrease the brightness to -160. In the transform, change its rotation to 80. Delete this invert effect from this shape layer 6 and add a new effect, glow, and change the radius to 30. One thing is that in this tint of shape layer 6, reset it and duplicate this glow effect by pressing Ctrl D and change the radius to 150. Now in this mode, it is multiply, but we need to change it to screen. Also one more thing, in the transform of shape layer 6, change its width to 50. Again duplicate them, Ctrl D to duplicate and delete this glow effect. And in the tint, change the white to bright gray. Also in this shape, change the transform angle to 125. Now pre-comp this main composition and use effect CC toner so that we can add colors. In the tritone, you can change it to duotone and also to pentone. We will change it to pentone. So you can see we have this blue color variations, and also we can have some red color variations in this. One thing is that the shape layer that we have done this here, the shape layer 2, its effect is missing. So we will move it at the top like this. And you can see we have a little more impact of this. So in this way, our comic background is ready. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.